Yo, what's up, guys? All right, in this video, we're going to go through some of these faceless AI-generated videos, AI actors that you can use for your ads or for your content. So we've tested a lot of these, and one of the reasons we do the whole course for free for people called Cut Through the Noise, which is what you're likely seeing this video on. We want to help people eliminate a lot of the guesswork. I've tested out different softwares. You're paying for different softwares that maybe aren't as effective as ones we've already gone through the trial and error. So the one that we've zeroed in on is ArcAds. ArcAds seems to have the most money behind it. They seem to be innovating the quickest, and they have the most actors to choose from that are the most lifelike. So ArcAds, ARCADS.ai. Now, just a warning, ArcAds can get expensive. I think the cheapest plan they have is $30 or $40 a month, but you can only do 3 videos, and then it quickly gets more expensive from there. So to get the pro version, which is what we have if you're an agency and you need to do, more than 15, 20 videos a month, you need to get the pro version. They don't even give you a price on there. You have to talk to the sales team. If you are in the partnership, if you're part of our Inner Circle program, you'll have access to our ArcAds account, essentially, so you can just leverage our account to get the videos made. But if you're not in the program and you want to do it yourself, whatever, that's cool too. But I'll tell you how I do ArcAds and how I've split tested them with multiple different clients and partners of ours. And the cost per book call is significantly cheaper when using these AI generated videos. And even when people know it's an AI generated video, like even whenever the mouth gets a little bit messed up when somebody's talking or something, it still gets cheaper lead costs and it still gets a cheaper book call. So first, what you'll want to do is you'll want to use Claude to write the script. So I basically went through what I'm doing for this client here is he has a AI voice dialer company and he's targeting the home services niche. What I did for him to test out which segment of that vertical, so home services niche includes pool companies, general contractors, HVAC companies, pest control companies, et cetera, et cetera. So what we are trying to do is figure out which segment of that niche has the highest demand, highest product market fit, essentially, for his voice dialer that targets home services, right? So what we are doing is I picked this guy here, the bald guy, very specifically because if we're targeting home services company, we want somebody that kind of looks like they can have a roofing company. He looks like he works in HVAC, like he looks like one of those people, right? So I have this guy. I have 5 different scripts, right? So we have custom home builder, roofing company, pool service company, commercial HVAC, pest control, right? And each one of these scripts, I had to talk back and forth. You can see my conversations with Claude go on for a little bit. But what I did is I had it give me scripts that were in the first person, as if this guy's giving a testimonial, right? And I'll show you an example of what the video actually looks like. But this is the most recent one. So basically all you do is select the actor up here. You have a whole bunch of actors you can choose from. A lot of these are from the pro version only, but you have like hundreds of people that you can choose from. And if you're running an ad and you're not doing the approach that we're doing, where you're targeting multiple different segments of a niche, and maybe you want to just have the same script but multiple different actors, and you want to test, okay, do women resonate with this specific audience with the same message? Like, that's kind of the point I'm getting across here. So you want to limit the amount of variables that you're testing for. So with this one, for example, since we're targeting 5 different niches, I have the same actor, but I'm just swapping the scripts out. So I'm saying, okay, this guy is saying this script for, as if he owns a roofing company, and this AI voice dialer increased his company's efficiency by 30%, whatever. And then I have that script, I swap it out for the pool company script. If you're doing it the opposite way, so you want to have the same script but multiple different actors, and you want to see which specific kind of actor gets you the lowest lead cost or the lowest cost per book call, you can do it that way too. What I did is the flip-flop version. So basically I upload this script. Running a roofing company is our biggest challenge. Our biggest challenge was keeping up with inspection requests. especially during storm season, blah, 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 basically going through the fact that since implementing this AI voice dialer, his company's closed more deals. It's gotten more efficient. After hours calls are a big thing. The voice dialer helps set the appointment for the prospect for the following day so they can go out and do their inspections and close the deal. So I'll give you a little taste of what the ad looks like.
Running a roofing company, our biggest challenge was keeping up with inspection requests, especially during storm season. Most leads went to whoever responded first. Now our AI assistant pre-qualifies leads, schedules inspections, and answers urgent calls instantly.
Right, so you get the point. But yeah, that's how we use ARC ads. So these faceless ads are going to be very big for, paid ads, also for content as well. People are using them for. And that's the way we found it works the best with Claude, a script done on Claude, and then actor or multiple different actors that you want to split test done through ARC ads. And then we'll do another follow-up video or the video on Claude and how to get the right scripts and tonality and stuff from Claude, as opposed to using something like ChatGPT. There's a very big difference. What we found whenever it comes to script writing, ad copy, stuff like that, we found Claude to be much better than ChatGPT. But we'll do another video on that, which will be in the same course. So that is it. Peace.